Well, here it is. The famous Otis elevator at Macy's in Exton. Still original. Otis. Listen to this motor. Fine, it's the classic one. Indicator doesn't work. Let's go back down to LL. Installed in 1972. Got a couple of burned out lights. That is classic leveling. Let's go to UL again. Go close room shut up. I like that. You can hear the restroom out there. Go down to LL. Doesn't light up on this side, but lights up on this side. Ooh, look at this button. It's like coming off. This right here is not a phone box. This is a service cabinet. That's the phone right there. Now we're going to end the tour on UL because I have to use the restroom. The close button works. There you go, you got to watch the button go out. See, here's your call button right here. There it goes. That's it.